Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am reviewing and swatching the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in the shade Luna. It is a newer shade and it is described as a multi-reflective gold lip gloss, and I gravitated towards it because it is very beautiful and shiny and pale gold, which I don't usually see in reflective kind of gold lip glosses, so I definitely wanted to try it out and I'm super happy with it. It does retail for $16 for 0.16 ounces. There are about 29 different shades of lip gloss. There's high shine finish, there's metallic finish, there's also shimmer finish, but I believe this is the high shine finish. And what it is a fully pigmented weightless lip gloss formula in lacquer and luster finishes. And I definitely love this lip gloss. I have other reviews and shade swatches if you want to go ahead and look at that on my ABH playlist or my lip swatch playlist, but go ahead and check those out. I also want to mention that it is formulated without sulfates and phthalates, and this particular shade, in my opinion, is perfect for those holiday and festival looks and just kind of glamorous or even soft glamour looks that you can create. So hope that helped you out. Hope it helped you out in any way that it could, and I will see you guys all next time in my next one. Bye guys!